between Partido Federal and Lakas, to the strongest parties. Lakas comes in with 100 strong members of the House. And of course, Partido Federal comes in with the majority of the local government officials. So this is the start of an alliance of the two parties and perhaps others as well.
Sir, will Hugpong be part of the alliance in 2025? Will Hugpong ng pagbabago be part of that alliance? Do you plan that to happen?
It's still open for discussion, and of course, we will consult with, of course, Partido Federal.
But have there been talks?
Not yet.
Speaker, where are you now in the process of completing your lineup for the 2025 elections?
Well, it's still in an ongoing process, hindi pa tapos.
Ilang senators na po so far yung meron tayo?
I cannot announce that yet. We will announce it at the proper time, after proper consultation.
But you're confirming that you're fielding a slate?
Of course. Of course, we will be, the alliance will be fielding full slate.
Sir, for those who might be interested to join the slate, ano-ano po yung key qualifications na hinahanap nyo for a politician to join your 2025 slate?
Oh, there are many considerations there. But we leave it up to the collective wisdom of the alliance leadership.
Should they be in favor of Chacha? Should that be a prerequisite?
That could be one.
Sir, what parties are expected to be part of this alliance? Maliban po sa inyong dalawa.
Major political parties.
Like, sir?
Most likely. We will announce it so that we don't want to preempt, but we will announce it as the days come along.
Sir, PDP Laban, mayroon po bang magiging parte nitong alliance?
Anything is possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.